What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be starting a project. We're going to be restoring a 1987 Honda TRX 250R. I got this thing pretty much as is, how you see it right now. I started parting it out, but things just started lining into place where I'm probably going to be able to get this thing all back together. So I've got an extra engine from an 86 that I'm going to be putting in this one. I'm doing a full rebuild on it. So pretty much what I did was I sold the whole rear brake system, so that's going to be something I'm going to have to purchase again, try to find. We'll see what happens with that. Hopefully I can find that. I got this thing, and pretty much the rear part of the frame is bent. So you can see there's the main part. It's pretty straight. It's the rear that's been bent to the side, so we're gonna have to bend that back. And then it's also been welded before here, so we're gonna have to clean this up, re-weld it. I think it has a crack on the other side of this, so we're gonna have to redo that. Somebody homemade some motor mounts, so gonna have to clean this up, cut this, probably clean it up, and then of course pretty much the whole thing is gonna be coming apart. We're gonna take everything apart, strip down all the old paint, fix the frame, fix everything that we can, and then repaint the whole frame. You can see right here, this started ripping because of how bent it's getting. Yeah, so the whole thing is gonna get repainted. I need some foot pegs for it, so I'm gonna try to find some of those. What else? There's a bunch of little things we can make, like the mounts for the, or like the little supports for the fenders and stuff like that. We can make a lot of that stuff. These are bent, so I'm gonna have to try to straighten these out, restore these, the dust shields for the brakes. At least the whole front brake system is here. Gonna need to make like a front bumper for it. Definitely I'm gonna have to find some rims for it. I've been looking through what I have. I thought maybe these ATC 250R rims would fit, but they don't. So I'm gonna have to look through my other stuff, see what I have. And then also had these rims with these tires. They have a pretty wide lug pattern, so I thought maybe they'd fit, but they don't. But these are some pretty nice tires. I've had these for a while and just been waiting for something to put them on. What else? Gonna need this steering stem holder. Actually, I have the metal pieces that go here. I'll just need the rubber bushing that goes inside. I've got the CDI for it. I've got the coil. Got the engine. I have a gas tank, but it's a desert tank, so I don't know if I'm going to be using that. I probably won't be using it. It's this tank right here. I have it from a past TRX I had. It's a desert tank. Pretty rough condition, but I mean it will work if I have to use that. But yeah, so pretty much the first thing I'm gonna have to do is strip it all down, take it all apart, put everything in boxes, and then try to fix the frame. So this is the beginning video on this build, so as I start to do things and get it together, I will update this video. So here's the engine. I'm doing a full engine rebuild on it. I replaced the crank bearings. I replaced the crank. It's got a brand new piston. The cylinder was just recently, I guess, bored out. I don't remember exactly how much it was bored out, but yeah, I measured it and it's not stock, so, and it looks pretty dang clean. So got that, got a brand new piston for it. Yeah, pretty much I'm waiting on this nut that goes here on the main shaft, so the nut, so I can secure the clutch on here. Once I have the clutch on, well, actually first I have to install the shifting arm in here. Once I do that, I can put the clutch on and then put the whole side cover on, clutch cover on, and then I'll move to the top end, do the top end, and that'll pretty much be it. Just throw the flywheel and the stator on, and then yeah, she'll be ready to throw into the frame. I also have this 250R. It's an 88. So what had happened was I bought this one and it came with that extra engine, so pretty much everything lined up in place for me to get this one almost back up and running. I was planning on parting it out, but once I got that other engine, it pretty much motivated me to get this one back together. So I bought this one for parts, and once I got that engine, figured I might as well redo it instead of letting it go to waste. Well, it's not going to go to waste, but people will get parts, but still it's better to have one extra machine out there, because you could make parts for these. It's not like you need OEM, but a lot of people like them. So yeah, this is the video. Keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching, and later.